Welcome, and thank you for joining White Heart for this short meditation, a space for you to reset, recharge, and step into a positive, peaceful day. This is a moment just for you to create calm, to welcome clarity, to feel grounded. Wherever you are, find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, whatever feels most peaceful to you. Allow yourself to relax and feel peaceful just as you are in this present moment. Thank you for taking this time today to center your energy and reconnect with yourself. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Inhale deeply and gently exhale. Exhale any thoughts, pressures, or distractions that no longer serve you. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Bring your attention inward. Let go of the world around you. For these few minutes, you are the center. This space is just for you. Allow yourself to connect with that quiet, peaceful place within. With every breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more present. Breathe in calm and breathe out tension. Inhale the flow of positive energy. Exhale everything that holds you back. Bring your awareness back to your body. Notice how it is supported by the ground, the chair, the surface beneath you. Take a deep breath. And as you exhale, allow your body to release any tension. Begin to shift your attention slowly from your fingertips and toes, traveling upward through your legs, your torso. Feel the steady rhythm of your heartbeat. Calm, relaxed, present. Take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, notice your hands. Maybe holding a bit of tension. Maybe it's already softening. Become aware of any sounds around you. No judgment, just notice. Everything is part of this present moment. Bring gratitude to your body, to every system, working together to support you. Take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Remember, you are strong, you are resilient, you are capable of facing anything that comes your way. Set the intention today to let go of what you cannot control and to embrace what is meant for you. Take a deep breath in. Now slowly release all pressure and tension. May every breath fill you with calm, clarity, and gratitude. May you choose peace over fear and love over doubt. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up today, for taking this time to nourish your mind, your body, and your spirit. You are worthy of this peace. Inhale and gently exhale. Let your body soften with each breath. Bring to mind a place, a person, or a moment that fills you with warmth. It could be somewhere you feel at home, someone who lights up your heart, or a time when everything felt right. Let that image come to you. No need to rush, just allow it to appear. Notice the colors, the light, the way it makes you feel. Feel that warmth, like a soft glow, starting in your chest, expanding outward. Let that energy grow with every breath. Inhale. Feel it expand. Exhale, and let it flow through you. Let this feeling support you as you move through the day. You are connected to this source of joy, meaning, and calm. It is always within you. Breathe here for a few more moments in this warmth, this calm, this light. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Take one final deep breath in and open your eyes. Carry this peace with you. Let it guide your thoughts, your choices, and your heart. May your day unfold with ease, joy, and presence.